go get a car.
Let's go.
Coffee, check. Got our portable fridge. This thing is awesome. All right, time to head out. Bring in the little buddy heater in case we get stuck in a freak blizzard. Battery jumper. Oh yeah, don't forget your clothes. Let's go. Goes right in the car. Powered in here. Boom. Got a portable refrigerator. Oh yeah, listen to that 7.3 diesel purr. You ready? Let's go.
Time about 13 minutes already.
Well, we're close. Let's get out of here. Got a car to go get.
Hallelujah.
Let's hit the road.
So dark 30, as usual. So this is the work part of the fun that we do. And yeah, we're excited. Just when we think we found our last rare Mustang, in this case a K-code, find another.
8 hours and 13 minutes to the destination. Breakfast time. And lunchtime. How is it? This is how we do lunch while we're rolling.
Well, we're in traffic. And I'm tired. I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. Tyler's tired. Been on the road 10 hours. And we left at 5, but I guess I was excited. I still get excited about chasing these cars. So I woke up at 3 and couldn't go back to sleep, so went ahead and got up. And we're tired, but we're motivated. And I'll tell you, it's exciting even to this day when you're chasing a K-code Fastback, which we are. And if this car is as good as we hope, we'll come back with it. And if we come back with it, this is what's cool for us. It'll be the 5th K-code. When we get back with this, it'll be K-code number 5 in our airplane hangar. And I don't know that, no, I know that we've never had 5 K-codes at once. So yeah, that's exciting. We should make a video about that, Tyler, and talk about 5 K-codes at once. Cool. They're so hard to find, the ones that we're willing to get involved with. And it just seems like things have aligned for us, and we've ended up with 5 stellar K-codes. Three of them are 67 models, and you probably know how rare that is. If you don't, click on this link down here, and it'll take you to a video that's very specific. Up here, I think, is where the link will be. About 67 K-codes. They're super, super, super rare. But the 5s and 6s aren't common. You know, out of 1,000,003 Mustangs in 65 and 66, they made around 13,000 or so, 12,000 or so K-codes. So they're rare. But what's rare, period, is any Mustang that comes through life in good condition or has been restored back to near perfect condition, which is what this one we believe will be. It's just fun to find cars like that. So we'll be there in a minute. Well, no, actually it says, GPS says 53 minutes. So we will have logged 11 hours one way on this trip, but we're motivated.
Here's something you don't see a lot in Texas, except for last year, 2021, which was crazy. Snow.
Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street.
In a quarter-mile, the destination is on your left.
Plenty down there to keep. You can double down, throw some dice. You can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you want to play? Baby, go on.
So your dad bought this in the early 80s.
But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't.
Well, we've looked at the car. We're fixing to leave now, and Is it a good car? Well, no, it's really not a good car. It's a great car. So Tyler and I are thrilled. We're tired. Yeah, we're tired. It's been a long, long day. We're leaving now to go to the hotel or get something to eat and go to the hotel. And we'll come back over in the morning and bag and tag this K-code.
Shoot him, pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play?
Okay, so it's the next morning and we're gonna go load the car right now. And it was supposed to be 15 degrees this morning, and I'm already partially dressed for that, but it's 43. So this has been a good trip. The weather's been to our favor. And yeah, we're fixing to load the car, get the guy paid, head back to Texas. But unfortunately, it's going to be after midnight before we get home, but that's part of the process.
Snow, 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 snow.
Old and dirty.
Guys, it's time to relax and know that God is still with us.